Hello, this is Leonie from Gardens of Blessings TV. In this video, I am going to talk about the parents' rule on modular distance learning. And if you know more about distance learning, please comment below. Sa aking mga 632 subscribers and counting, especially to those who are always engaging in my live streams and commenting on every videos that I uploaded. Thank you very much for your ideas and suggestions. I am not a perfect person and I am always in a work in progress, but because of the opportunity that you have given me, I am inspired to do better. If you are new to my channel, this channel talks about topics like parenting struggles and reflections, our children's social and emotional awareness, learning support, and the different kinds of books that will help you and me with the struggles that we are facing as a parent, a mother, and a guardian. So if you are interested with these topics, consider subscribing. If you are already a subscriber in my blessed community, don't forget to hit like and share so that YouTube will share these videos to those who needs it. We had an interesting brainstorming from the Gardens of Blessings TV weekend live last time, and these are the inputs of my viewers.
Christian Joy Tapang has some input on this one, right? Modular distance learning, online distance learning, and TV or radio-based instruction. Ma'am Christian Joy, maraming input si Ma'am Christian Joy. And that is from my Facebook, ha? All right, very good kaayo. I love it. Okay, love you. Love you. Your rest house lang. Yeah, this is actually the green screen of my school pass. Oh. Okay, so anyway, very good. I really appreciate that input. Okay, so and it says here whichever. Okay, so in print or digital format, I think Mom Christine Joy, is that okay if I say mom? Okay, so she said that there are three modalities, right? And it is in print or the learning videos is in print. Okay, na kayo sa nga tanan, mag-live stream ta, and then shortcut summary and input via Christine Joy Tapang, via Albert Planet. O, diba? Okay. Okay, ha. Galing mag-search ni Kuya Albert. Yes! Alright. So, those are the duties of a paraprofessional. Okay. So, now, always have an open communication with the assigned teacher. Okay? So, because you are the paraprofessional of your child, you are the what we call the advocate of your child. Okay, from my mama, discussion is so timely. Researchers are here, are doing research on distance learning modalities, asynchronous learning modular. Yes! Oh, you know what, my...
Of these remarkable inputs, ito po ang sa aking palagay are the parents' rule on modular distance learning. This is understand the guidelines of the modules and make sure that your children learn on what is expected of them. Ang mga modules po ay may mga parents guide gaya ng iilang reading books of learning. Dapat basahin po nating mabuti at magbigay ng akmang panahon kung paano natin ma-explain sa ating mga anak ang guidelines. Dapat ding malaman at maintindihan ng mga bata kung ano ang expectations na kinakailangan nilang gawin in order to succeed in learning. Ang mga words or phrases na ating gagamitin ay dapat akma sa age ng ating mga anak para maliwanagan nila ng mabuti. Help our children understand and complete their assignments and assist them with needs fit on their age and level of understanding. Tulungan natin ang ating mga anak with understanding worksheets na nauyon sa kanilang abilidad. When I previously homeschooled my children, as much as possible, if I know that my daughter or son can be independent with their worksheets, I gave them the freedom to do it on their own. However, in certain situation na nahihirapan sila sa concepts or principal, dito na tayo magbigay ng kaukulang panahon para tulungan sila. Ask your child or children what makes it difficult and how can we solve it together. Kung sa iyong palagay ang words na ginagamit sa module are difficult for the child to understand, it is your rule to supplement words that are easier for the child to understand in his or her level. Provide an open communication to the assigned teachers. In the modular distance learning or any distance learning, ang mga teachers po ay ang nagsilbing lifeline natin. Sila po ang nagsusupervise and monitor the learning performance sa mga anak natin. Kaya, kung may mga concern kayo at difficulties kung paano ninyo maturuan ang mga anak ninyo, dapat ipaalam agad sa assigned teacher upang mabigyang solusyon ang ganitong mga bagay. Ang modular distance learning or any form of distance learning ay dapat may teacher-parent collaboration. Dapat ang teacher and parent ay isang team for the success of the children. If you find this video helpful, please like and share so that YouTube will recommend this video to those who are looking for videos like this. And if you wanted to know more about the socio-emotional approach of learning, tips of study coaching, and parent-teacher collaboration for the success of our children, please click subscribe, hit that bell, and choose all to receive updates. Once again, this is Gardens of Blessings TV saying, when you find peace, happiness begins, and blessings start to win one's heart. Thank you for sharing your time with me, and be blessed.